In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an email account from Outlook. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to expect when you remove an account from Outlook on the web. First, open your browser and go to Outlook on the web. Once you're in your mailbox, look toward the top right corner for the gear icon. That's the settings menu. Click it to open the quick settings panel. This panel is great for appearance and layout tweaks, but for account actions, we need the full settings page, so continue into the detailed settings view. In the detailed settings, find the section labeled Accounts. This is where Outlook groups everything related to the accounts you've connected, including any secondary inboxes you've added to send and receive mail through Outlook. Open Accounts to reveal the options inside, then choose Email Accounts. This page lists all the addresses currently connected to your Outlook on the web profile. Take a moment to find the specific email account you want to remove. If you have multiple similar addresses, double-check the domain and the provider icon to ensure you're selecting the right one. Removing an account here only disconnects it from Outlook. It does not delete or close the actual email service at the provider. Your original mailbox remains intact with your provider, but it will stop syncing with Outlook after removal. When you've identified the correct account, click the Manage button next to it. This opens the management options for that individual connection. In the Manage view, select Remove or choose the trash icon if that's what you see. Outlook may show a brief note explaining what happens next. New mail from that account will no longer appear in Outlook, and sending from that address through Outlook will be disabled. A confirmation prompt will appear to make sure you really want to proceed. Read it carefully to confirm you've chosen the correct account. When you're ready, confirm the removal. Outlook will disconnect that mailbox and you'll be returned to the list of email accounts where you should now see it removed. A few quick tips as you finish up: if you were using this connected account to send messages, its from address will no longer be available in Outlook. If you ever remove the wrong account by mistake, you can come back to the same email accounts page and add it again. Also note that you typically cannot remove the primary Outlook or Microsoft account you used to sign in. This process is for connected or additional accounts. That's it. You've successfully removed an email account from Outlook on the web.